The only way to make sense out of change is to plunge into it, move with it, and join the dance. I have realized that the past and future are real illusions, that they exist in the present, which is what there is and all there is. I owe my solitude to other people. The ego is nothing other than the focus of conscious attention. You don't look out there for God, something in the sky, you look in you. You don't look out there for God, something in the sky, you look in you. Unless one is able to live fully in the present, the future is a hoax. But the attitude of faith is to let go, and become open to truth, whatever it might turn out to be. Reality is only a Rorschach ink blot, you know. Saints need sinners. But to me nothing, the negative, the empty, is exceedingly powerful. The reason we want to go on and on is because we live in an impoverished present. Faith is a state of openness or trust. But at any rate, the point is that God is what nobody admits to being, and everybody really is. What the devil is the point of surviving, going on living, when it's a drag. But you see, that's what people do. Buddhism has in it no idea of there being a moral law laid down by some kind of cosmic lawgiver. Wars based on principle are far more destructive. The attacker will not destroy that which he is after. Religion is not a department of life, it is something that enters into the whole of it. The religious idea of God cannot do full duty for the metaphysical infinity. The style of God venerated in the church, mosque, or synagogue seems completely different from the style of the natural universe. The difficulty for most of us in the modern world is that the old-fashioned idea of God has become incredible or implausible. But we try to pretend, you see, that the external world exists altogether independently of us. And the attitude of faith is the very opposite of clinging to belief, of holding on. So what is discord at one level of your being is harmony at another level. Omnipotence is not knowing how everything is done, it's just doing it. We identify in our experience a differentiation between what we do and what happens to us. A myth is an image in terms of which we try to make sense of the world. You are that vast thing that you see far, far off with great telescopes. Technology is destructive only in the hands of people who do not realize that they are one and the same process as the universe. Trying to define yourself is like trying to bite your own teeth. No valid plans for the future can be made by those who have no capacity for living now.